Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now for this, I will need to be using this help article since I myself don't have any domains under my name. I haven't bought any domains, so I can't show you neither the Squarespace side of things nor the Shopify side of things, since I don't have access to the DNS records of my default URLs or my default domains. So I'll just be showing you guys through this help article on the Shopify Help Center. Now, the first step you need to do is you're going to need to go and open up a new browser tab to log into your Squarespace account. The reason you open up a new browser tab is just to make things easier so that you don't have to change tabs constantly and you don't have to, research the same things. But yeah, what you do after you open up the new tab with your Squarespace account, you go into the account dashboard and go into domains and then click on DNS. And if you have existing records you want to keep, such as MX or TXT records, you can save them in a Word document or Google Docs, really doesn't matter. Then you can click the trash can icon to delete the existing Squarespace DNS records, which look something like this. You go into DNS settings, just click this red trash icon, and that's it. Then you need to add the A record by just clicking add record. Then enter the following A record into your settings. The host should be the type should be A, priority is just a dash, and data is 23.227.38.65. Then click save, and that's it for step 2. Now on step 3, you need to add the CNAME records. So just add a record, then add the CNAME by making the host www, type CNAME, priority is just a dash again, and data is shops.myshopify.com. Then you click save, and that should be it. After that, you just need to connect your domain to Shopify by going into your Shopify admin, going into settings and going into domains, then clicking connect existing domain, and then type the domain you want to connect. And then once you hit next, you can add additional verification for your Shopify domain, which you need to do by going into your Squarespace account, clicking account dashboard and domains again, then click the domain that you're connecting and click the DNS for that domain, click add record, and in a new tab you go to your Shopify admin, click settings domains, then click the domain you're verifying, locate the required value and click copy. And after you do that, you go back to your Squarespace tab and enter the following TXT record. The host is Shopify_verification, type is TXT, priority is a dash, and for the data, you need to paste the required value you copied previously. Then you click save, and then you can go back to your Shopify admin tab, verify the connection, and that should be pretty much it. Again, sorry that I can't show this to you guys through my own works, but it is what it is since I don't own any domains. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.